Hi everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Today I have a 12 by 16 staple back canvas and I'm going to do a puddle pour on it, and after I lay the puddles I will move the paint all around, tip the canvas, and we'll just see where it goes from there, and I might do a few extra things. But let's go over my paints. All my paints today are Mont Marte, and I'm really enjoying using these Mont Marte paints. They are very creamy, nice consistency, and easy to work with. First one is Payne's Gray. Second color is Lemon Yellow. Then I have the Burnt Sienna and Magenta. Monastral Green, Purple, and the last one is Cerulean Blue. So I have put down a light coat of the Artist Flow Acrylic White, and my pouring medium today is 2 parts of the Floetrol to 1 part paint, no silicone added today. So let's just get started by putting down my puddles. I've done puddle pours before. I enjoy doing them. And the one thing I do like about puddle pours compared to some of the other methods of using the acrylic painting and pouring is the colors seem to stay a little more vibrant because you're not mixing them. You're not mixing them up as much as like when you do a dirty pour when they're all in one cup together. So I just thought, start the week off simple. Simple little puddle pour here. Hope you all had a great weekend. Seems like the weekends fly by. Especially with Christmas coming up, New Year's. Lots to get done. Just randomly picking my colors here. I think this is like the third, maybe the third painting I've done with the Mont Marte paints. And this is the Burnt Sienna. And I think I have mentioned before in doing my videos that this is a good type pouring to do with children, grandchildren, or your children. I mean, they could perform this without a problem. Just a fun little painting to do. This is the Payne's Gray. Okay, I'll just keep making my little puddles here. I'm not sure I'll get any cells today. I did mix the paints with the Floetrol. That may give a few cells, but we'll just have to see. Put a little more yellow on here to brighten it up. Let's see what other paint I would like to just add. I'm getting close to being finished here. And I think I might add a little bit of paint here and there just in between. Use some of this pink. Use some of the purple. Just filling in here and there. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. And I might take some, I'll add a little bit more of this blue. Seems like I have a lot of blue left. Okay, and I think I'm going to torch it. And I think I'm going to add some of my white in between here also. Just to help the paint move. And last but not least, I'm going to take the end of my skewer and I'm just going to run it through a little bit here. Just to give it a little design. Okay, now I can do some tipping. Just trying to cover all my corners right now. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at it here. And run my skewer again, here and there. And do a little more tipping. Tip off a little bit of this blue here down on this corner. And I will pull it back. Just mixing the colors up here a little bit. Okay. That to me looks very pretty. And now I am tempted to use my chain. I will start out with a little bit bigger ball chain and just run it through and see what we get here and there. Okay, I don't want to run it through too much, but I just think that really added something to it. Do a little more tip here. And I'll clean off the bottoms. And check the corners. And then I'll just torch one more time and then get you down for a close-up. Okay. Put you down for a close-up. You can tell me what you think. Very bright painting. Okay, we have the upper left-hand corner. You see those Mont Marte colors are very, very vibrant here. Some of the burnt sienna there. Payne's gray. This is the lower left-hand corner here. And I'll just take you up the middle here. I did leave some more plain areas on this painting, and I like that, along with where I swirled it with the chain. This is the upper right-hand corner, and I do like those that color combination together right there. And this is the lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share, subscribe if you haven't. Make sure that you hit the bell and select all so you'll know the next time that I post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye.